resembles so much like the MAC strobe cream. I'm like, what? That is like मैदा. आप इसे आपका पूरा फेस पेंट कर सकते हो. बस देखते जाओ, माथा चमक रहा है like a glazed donut. Actually इसका मुंह ऐसा ही है, ऐसा दबा सा. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to yet another Amazon haul video, and I do have again new makeup products to test. Super excited as always. And again इस वाले में तो मेरे पास मैक का ड्यूप है यार. like I'm telling you, अगर वो सच में ड्यूप निकला ना तो भाई game over. The affordable brands and the drugstore brands are killing it literally. So I've just done my skincare, and you can also see the skincare haul video that I've shot before. I would leave it in the iCard above. आप वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हो. And apart from that, कुछ है नहीं face पे. So let's get testing and see what's the hype around these products, and let's get started with the very first product which I purchased from Forever 52. I don't think this is a new launch, but I kind of felt like ले लेते हैं because concealer is that one product जो मैं बहुत use करती हूँ. I am not into foundations at the moment. मैं बस एक दो dots use करती हूँ to spot conceal, and that's all. And so I thought, let's give this one a try. It is the sensational liquid concealer. I picked up the shade SNS 206 Tan. So that is the packaging. Cute, not bad. So Tan ये shade है. Let's see. सबसे पहले तो जैसे मैंने ये open किया, द एप्लीकेटर मुझे ऐसा लगा ये टूट कर आया है, कि अंदर ही टूट के गिर गया, बट एक्चुअली इसका मुंह ऐसा ही है, ऐसा दबा सा, सो दैट यू नो यू कैन जस्ट लाइक टैम्प लाइक सो. उन्होंने एप्लीकेटर ही वैसा दिया है, सच फ्लैट बेस वाला, बट मुझे पहले लगा जैसे कि उसका प्लग गिर गया है अंदर, बट नो, इट इज जस्ट लाइक दैट. So let's apply and see how this concealer works. Let's blend it. I'm using Mars BRF 09 brush to blend the concealer. Hold on a second. I feel मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा product लगा लिया, like 2 dots भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए. This stuff is crazy on coverage. Like look at my face. मेरा पूरा face ये cover कर चुका है, इतना ज़्यादा spread हुआ है. The concealer is really good in coverage. Plus it is fluid in consistency, so it's also giving a nice spread to the formula. Coverage is really good. इतना मैंने लगा कर ही गलती कर दी, मैंने एकदम थोड़ा सा यूज करना चाहिए था. Love the coverage. Like you can see the darkness here underneath my eyes and everything covered right here. Really good. That is my base done with just like 4 dots of this concealer, and oh my god, ऐसा लग रहा है literally like I'm wearing a foundation. It looks like a full beat on my face right now. Full on coverage, and it is also settling down. It is giving me that matte finish slowly as it's drying down. So definitely it's very high on coverage, easy to blend, and sets into the matte finish. Perfect for the summertime. Also my skin looks so smooth with this concealer. I mean, it's looking super healthy. I'm really liking how this sits on my face, and the fact that it is super lightweight, लग भी नहीं रहा है, you know that I'm wearing anything. Really love the coverage. And with that I forgot the dupe जो मुझे सबसे first step करके use करना चाहिए था. Now अभी मुझे वो towards the end use करना पड़ेगा. Let's try another product from ELF, which is their liquid blush. It's their camo liquid blush. I picked up the shade Dusty Rose. Now they say it's high in pigment, so थोड़ा सा ही use करके let's see. That is the packaging of the product, and that is the doe foot applicator. Cute. Let's try and see. It is definitely pigmented and not for faint-hearted, because oh bhai, the pigment is just so damn much. मैंने फिर से ज़्यादा ले लिया. You have to have a light hand with this one again, because आप इसे आपका पूरा फेस पेंट कर सकते हो. पिगमेंटेड है, इतना नहीं लेना है in the very first go. Okay, so that is the ELF liquid blush on my cheeks. How do you find it? If you ask me, definitely firstly my base looks super smooth, and as if you know I've done like a full face of HD makeup. वैसा लग रहा है मेरा base because of the concealer that I used. This is just insanely good. While the blush, definitely it is pigmented, blended, इन अ जिफ, बिल्कुल समय नहीं लगा, बट इट इज पिगमेंटेड, सो आपने एकदम हल्का सा कम सबसे कम क्वांटिटी यूज करना है, वरना इट वुड बी ऑल ओवर द प्लेस एंड देन उसे ब्लेंड करना थोड़ा सा टास्क हो सकता है. I wish I went for little bit of a deeper tone. ये हल्का सा lighter tone of blush का color है. Not my preference personally, but any which ways, MRP of this blush is 950 rupees and इसमें भरपूर colors available है. You can like pick any that you like. मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी by picking this shade. हल्का सा light है for my skin tone, इसलिए थोड़ा ashy लग रहा है, but elsewise my base is looking like super smooth. The concealer, just wow. It's a good liquid blush, dewy finish है, pigmented है, and it's from ELF. But again, इससे काफी affordable वाले options भी मैंने देखे हैं जो equally अच्छे से work करते हैं. So yes. Then next we have another new launch from the house of Swiss Beauty Select. It is the talc-free translucent powder focus FX. इतना सारा नाम है. So that is the minimalistic packaging that it came in. So they say it's a talc-free formula which is powered by light diffusing technology, instantly blurs pores and imperfections, providing a luminous soft focus effect, and that is what I want. So let's try it out. Packaging so cute. Look at this frosted packaging. I love it. Like I live for Swiss Beauty's packaging. इतना सही packaging है इनका, and थोड़ा सा बड़ा है ये size, ठीक है? There's a bigger pan. 7.5 grams of product. It is sturdy, and as you open it up, that is the pan of the powder. Ooh, that is like maida. So soft and smooth. Extremely smooth. Wow. I'm intrigued. I want to try it like ASAP. So I'm using my Rene brush. I really love this one. It is the Blush Brush R2. So you would just pick up the powder, dust off the excess. You can see underneath my eyes and यहाँ पे shine है, so we would just like what by a touch and it's all blurred. Wow, this is insane. Now बस देखते जाओ, माथा चमक रहा है like a glazed donut. Wow, this product is literally blurring down all of the possible pores on my skin. Wow, I'm living for it. Like Swiss Beauty, मैंने बोला ना यार, ड्रग स्टोर में ही इतनी सही चीजें क्यों हाई एंड पे स्पेंड करने, like क्यों? Just look at my skin. It looks like makhan smooth. Loved it. My skin looks smooth with that blurring effect, which I live for. It's like a perfect filter on your face. Love it. It's definitely gonna keep the oils at bay and your skin matte in the summer heat as well. I loved it. You can see this side is full like a shiny glazed donut, while this side we are all matte and set. See, jaha apply kiya, literally it just is a shine killer. Wow, loved it. This is just so good. Just have a look at my base. Passe, my skin looks airbrushed and smooth. So the Swiss Beauty Select powder is available at a 25% discount for 443 rupees only. ये नहीं लिया तो क्या लिया? If you have an oily skin type, मैं आपको कह रही हूँ, just take it. You would love it. The silky soft focus effect on my skin, I am living for it. I loved it. Plus the best part is that it being translucent, it would not give any flashback nor any white cast. So perfect for even flash photography. Plus it's a talc-free formula. Love. And then from the house of Forever 52, I found this and I was like, ये थोड़ा कुछ पहचाना सा तो नहीं लग रहा packaging, because this one resembles so much like the MAC strobe cream. I'm like, what? So the product we're talking about is from Forever 52. It is their sheer nude glow enhancer. So they came up with their own set of strobe creams. 3 अलग colors में they've launched it. Pink है, white है and golden है. I picked up Pearl Rosaline 01. So that is the packaging, and if you look at it with the MAC packaging, like they've literally taken up the same packaging, size, height, weight, सब कुछ same है literally. So let's see whether it is as good as the MAC one or not. So the MAC one though has a white packaging. It is in the shade Pink Light. It too came in a similar style as our white base hai, but as you blend it in, you would find that soft pink sheen and a fine glow. बहुत easily blend हो गया, that I would say definitely. Wow, like you can't even make it ऐसा कोई scent है, मतलब है ही नहीं, almost ऐसा है कि I'm just not able to make any scent out of it as of now, but the glow is insane. I'm like complete matte right now. Let's see if it does translate any good or not. Same to same packaging है यार, MAC के जैसा पूरा ripped the packaging. Let's try. Okay. ये कितने का था? 764 rupees, and the MAC one is like 3600 या 3900 rupees. Oh my god, look at it, like again a bang on dupe. This stuff looks crazy good, and bhai, it is working on my base as well. I forgot to wear it on my bare skin. मैं directly अपने base के साथ चली गई. But bro, it is working on top of my base. Wow, this looks crazy good. Again, finely milled shimmer, but it is not like chunky or very glittery flecks that you can like make out easily. नहीं, एकदम fine milled glitter hai, which gives that ultimate glow that you would ever want. Wow, I'm in love. This is priced at 899 MRP, right now available at 764 rupees. So 764 rupees discount पर आपको ये अभी मिल रहा है. You should definitely check it out. I'm literally shocked, like the drugstore is killing it. If you're looking something really close to the MAC one, I got a dupe for you. And then lastly, we have two nude brown lipsticks from the house of Kiro Beauty. So I've swatched them in a shot. I would leave the link up there. You can check it out. But uske alawa, ye do shades itne pretty the that I had to talk about this, and so I'm adding them to this video. So I picked up two newly added shades of their Non-Stop Airy Matte liquid range. The shades that I picked was Barely Brown and Toffee Truffle, and oh my god, I'm wearing the shade Barely Brown right from the beginning of today's video on top of a lip balm from Tipsy Beauty, and the shade Toffee Truffle is just love. It is Chef's Kiss. Both of these shades are super stunning. The shade Barely Brown is like a light brown nude, which would suit medium dusky skin tones. Long lasting, feather light formula, does not transfer, it's transfer proof, lightweight, non-sticky, non-tacky, and also does survive nails. I love it. The second shade was Toffee Truffle, which would be a perfect rich brown shade for dusky to deep skin beauties. This is going to be a perfect nude for the deep skin beauties. I loved it. Like, they nailed it again. I definitely see them as their new bestsellers. Love them. Now these are available at a 10% discount. MRP is 875 rupees, while right now you can grab them at 788 only. So check it out before they go out of stock. I would leave the links in the description box. So yes, that was all of the new makeup that Nidhi had to try, so that you don't have to, and some that you really need to try because they are actually worth your coin. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you ended up liking the content so far, then definitely smash the like button and subscribe to join the Trend Fam so that you do not miss out any video which comes from Nidhi. And with that being said, we shall meet soon in the next one. All of the products and unke links you can find in the description box below to check that out. We shall meet soon in the next video. So then take care, namaste, and keep trending.